Which countries are major exporters of wheat globally? A. Brazil and Argentina. B. China and India. C. Russia and Ukraine. D. Canada and USA. The correct answer is D. Canada and USA. Which of these is an example of a tree found in the coastal forest type? A. Banyan tree. B. Palm tree. C. Deodar cedar. D. Asiatic mangrove. The correct answer is D. Asiatic mangrove. What percentage of irrigation is supplied by tube wells? A. 24%. B. 16%. C. 46%. D. 11%. The correct answer is C. 46%. Which European powers introduced sugarcane to the West Indies and Brazil? A. Spanish and Portuguese. B. Dutch and German. C. Italian and Greek. D. British and French. The correct answer is A. Spanish and Portuguese. Which subject is mentioned in relation to learning about the solar system? A. Physics. B. History. C. Mathematics. D. Geography. The correct answer is D. Geography. Where does the Mahanadi River originate? A. Eastern Ghats. B. Sihava in Raipur district of Chhattisgarh. C. Haridwar in Uttarakhand. D. Tibet. The correct answer is B. Sihava in Raipur district of Chhattisgarh. What force holds the atmosphere close to the Earth? A. Magnetic repulsion. B. Gravitational attraction. C. Centrifugal force. D. Solar wind. The correct answer is B. Gravitational attraction. Which mountain is indicated with a height of 2,230 meters? A. Mount Fuji. B. Mount Everest. C. Mount Kilimanjaro. D. Mount Kosciuszko. The correct answer is D. Mount Kosciuszko. What are listed as cheap minerals found in Europe? A. Gypsum and salt. B. Coal and iron ore. C. Limestone and clay. D. Natural gas and oil. The correct answer is B. Coal and iron ore. What is an important safety measure for children and the elderly during a landslide? A. Wait for rescue services. B. Stay inside the house. C. Go to a lower ground. D. Leave the house to a higher ground. The correct answer is D. Leave the house to a higher ground. How do sea cliffs primarily form? A. Tectonic plate movement pushing up land. B. Volcanic activity near the coast. C. Accumulation of sand and shingle. D. Waves dashing against and eroding rocks. The correct answer is D. Waves dashing against and eroding rocks. In what year was the first cotton textile mill established? A. 1901. Born in 1998. Circa 1854. D. 1818. The correct answer is D. 1818. What is Athirapalli waterfall sometimes referred to as? A. The Victoria of India. B. The Angel of India. C. The Niagara of India. D. The Iguazu of India. The correct answer is C. The Niagara of India. Who first recognized GIS in the late 1950s? A. Waldo Tobler and Roger Tomlinson. B. India's IRNS system. C. Google and Yahoo. D. The U.S. Department. The correct answer is A. Waldo Tobler and Roger Tomlinson. Which Indian state's coast between Ongole and Machilipatnam is vulnerable to storm surges? A. West Bengal. B. Andhra Pradesh. C. Odisha. D. Tamil Nadu. The correct answer is B. Andhra Pradesh. What is another factor that generates ocean currents, besides Earth's rotation? A. Prevailing winds and sun. B. Marine life. C. Coastal erosion. D. Ocean depth. The correct answer is A. Prevailing winds and sun. How do the Eastern Highlands compare in age to the Andes? A. Their age is unknown. B. They are younger. C. They are considerably older. D. They are the same age. The correct answer is C. They are considerably older. Which mineral is South America rich in, besides iron ore, manganese, copper, and petroleum? A. Gold. B. Coal. C. Bauxite. D. Silver. The correct answer is C. Bauxite. What should be exercised when re-entering a burned area? A. Speed and haste. B. Loud noises. C. Recklessness. D. Caution. The correct answer is D. Caution. Iran is the largest producer of what in the world? A. Oil. B. Information not provided. C. Gold. D. Spices. The correct answer is B. Information not provided. Where does the Kaveri River finally empty into the Bay of Bengal? A. Gulf of Cambay. B. Poompuhar. C. Srirangam. D. Hoganakkal. The correct answer is B. Poompuhar. The Shahi, Royal, Road originally connected which two valleys? A. Godavari Valley and Krishna Valley. B. Indus Valley and Sonar Valley. C. Ganga Valley and Narmada Valley. D. Brahmaputra Valley and Yamuna Valley. The correct answer is B. Indus Valley and Sonar Valley. Besides the 6 states, how many union territories are in Australia? A. 3. B. 4. C. 2. D. 1. The correct answer is C. 2. What was the primary method of transport for early humans? A. Bicycles. B. Animals. C. Wheeled carts. D. Boats. The correct answer is B. Animals. What does the development process represent in an evolving economy? A. An ongoing activity. B. A static state. C. A declining trend. D. A temporary phase. The correct answer is A. An ongoing activity. What is a primary consideration for migrants searching from one region to another? A. Access to historical sites. B. Availability of water resources. C. Quality of public services. D. Proximity to major cities. The correct answer is B. Availability of water resources. Which two countries are identified as the largest producers of hydroelectricity in the world? A. United States and Canada. B. China and India. C. Germany and France. D. Norway and Sweden. The correct answer is D. Norway and Sweden. Which of the following is an effect of a tsunami? A. Decreased ocean temperatures. B. Disruption of transportation and power. C. Increased fish populations. D. Formation of new islands. The correct answer is B. Disruption of transportation and power. What type of forests are found on the slopes of the Andes? A. Coniferous. B. Tropical. C. Deciduous. D. Rainforest. The correct answer is A. Coniferous. What is high in Australia due to it being a hot, dry country? A. Precipitation. B. Humidity. C. Evaporation. D. Condensation. The correct answer is C. Evaporation. How did you score?